Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Number 1 pick is Alpha Cycle Gear High-Vis Mesh Jacket Bike Armored. It is lightweight and comfy. The removable thermal construction allows it to be worn in the summer for extended periods of time. CE-approved shoulder, back spine, and elbow armor avoids injuries. High visibility logos on the rear and front provide safe rides at night. It provides adequate protection. When it's hot, it's a little warm. But it's cozy enough. Excellent bargain. This motorbike body armor vest is made to protect your chest, back and spine as much as possible. The abrasion and impact resistant PP plastic shell protects your chest and back, while the EVA foam padding on the inside provides tight protection. The vented body shell allows ventilation to keep you comfortable and dry while participating in outdoor sports. Inside the chest protector, the Lycra and padded high foam fabric provide a comfortable fit that does not limit movement. The vest's adjustable elastic slip on the shoulder and side waist offers a perfect fit for persons of all sizes. The wide stretch elastic bandages will not cause skin damage, and the robust hoop-hand loop and buckle will keep the armor vest securely fastened to your body. Our motocross chest protector vest has a buckle construction that makes it simple to put on and take off. Simply adjust the waist size to fit your needs and push the clasp to secure it. Synthesis of high-density EVA foam adhesive. It is resistant to bumps, falls, and shocks. When falling, it provides good protection, especially when scraping against the ground. Our second best motorcycle armor is JFO Motorcycle Jacket. Alpha men's motorcycle jackets have a removable thermal lining for cold weather, as well as a micromesh lining for breathability. Alpha men's motorcycle jackets are built for all-weather 4-season suitability, and this riding jacket for motorcycles men comes with a lifetime warranty. Even in the worst rain, a waterproof motorbike jacket for men will keep you dry. Motorcycle jackets for men and women are ideal for lengthy trips in any weather. This men's Alpha motorcycle jacket with armor offers adjustable waist straps for a tailored fit, as well as adjustable cuffs and back stretch for simple riding control. The Alpha leather motorcycle riding jacket features CE-approved armor on the elbows and shoulders for increased protection while riding a motorcycle. Made of high-impact PP injection molding for usage on susceptible areas such as the chest, back, shoulders, elbows, and forearms. Motorcycle armor jacket made of high-density, durable and flexible EVA material with a 1.5 cm thickness for extra cushioning. Motorcycle gear innerlining is comprised of lightweight elastic durable mesh fabric with numerous big vents that allow the entire body to breathe and stay cool. For ease of wear, the round neckline is made of elastic material. A zipper closes the chest, and a large adjustable Velcro kidney belt protects your kidneys and stomach. The zipper and buckle on the back spine protective armor module allow for independent removal. Third choice in our list is Wicked Stock Motorcycle Armor. Armor comes standard with 2 shoulders, 2 elbows, and 1 back protector. All of these body armor pieces will give you with the necessary protection and safety. Our extremely protective armor parts are easily removable for washing and storage. The spine of the lightweight back protector is reinforced. This super soft motorcycle jersey will quickly become your favorite. Since its introduction 2 years ago, this motorcycle safety gear has been a client favorite. Our men's motorbike shirts have a full-length front zip for simple on/off. Wear this protective riding shirt over your favorite riding gear or as a lightweight jacket. This motocross shirt is made of non-shrink fabric that is easy to wash and dry. Read the customer reviews and watch the videos to learn about all of the benefits of this mesh motorcycle riding shirt. Motorcycle armor is constructed of high-density, durable armor. Removable cushion for easy cleaning, many wide vents, and a foam plastic shell provide the best ventilation, allowing you to ride safely. Protective armor jacket is a fantastic full-body armor, back protector, shoulder cup, elbow cup, forearm protection, chest, that is attached to a mesh shirt. durable mesh fabric and high-impact plastic injection molding, full zipper front closure, adjustable straps of the weapon, high-density foam filled with high-quality and comfortable adjustable elastic hook ring closing safety joint, removable spine and tail armor protection, wide elastic waistband hook and loop adjustment. Number 4 in our side is Alpha Cycle Gear Motorcycle Jacket Mesh CE Armored. The Alpha Biker Jacket in thin fit and the CWU leather in large fit provide you the option of two simple designed leather jackets that will allow you to not only travel in style in everyday life, but also to show up at your parents' house or at work. Only the iconic "Remove Before Flight" tag on the sleeve softly highlights your inner expressionism. Wearing the Air Racer or the MA1LW NASA leather makes you much more noticeable. The strengthened shoulder and elbow patches, as well as the colorful NASA and Space Shuttle mission patches, together with the highly visible utility pockets, ensure that you are the center of attention at any party. High-impact PE plastic and EVA shields provide additional protection, and hard shell cushioning on susceptible regions such as the chest, back, shoulders, elbows, and forearms. Draping technique protects vital portions of the body while remaining pleasant and breathable. High-quality material, removable back and waist armor. Thickened waist protection pads protect the entire body more effectively. Fantastic full body armor, back protector, shoulder cups, elbow cups, forearm protector, chest foam, linked to a mesh shirt. Lightweight yet sturdy stretchable lycra/mesh net fabric and high-impact injection molded plastic are used to make this product. The inner lining is constructed of lightweight elastic durable mesh fabric, which helps the entire body to get rid of stuffiness while remaining cool and keeping you at the top of your game. Our motorcycle protective jacket. This motorcycle riding armor can effectively cover key portions of your entire body thanks to its high-quality hard plastic, high-impact PE plastic, and high-density EVA protection pad. The high-quality shell cushions, especially for the removable back and thickening padding on the sides of waist armor, can provide additional protection in your chest, back, shoulders, elbows, and forearms to avoid scratches or damage caused by falling. This ATV protective gear is made of lightweight elastic durable mesh fabric and is attached to the mesh shirt. The skin-friendly and breathable design can keep cool even in hot weather, allowing your whole body to get rid of stuffiness, remain cool, and keep you at the top of the game in sports. Front zip closure. Straps that adjust across the arms and shoulders. Spine armor that may be removed, as well as a tail protector. Elastic waist belt with Velcro closure. The elastic circular collar band is the most comfortable to wear and gives the model a very excellent got-up neckline, as does the adjustable Velcro kidney belt, which protects your kidneys and stomach. The cuff is stretchy and has a quick cool design. Motorcycles, cross-country cycling, and other outdoor sports are all suitable. We do not recommend highway high-speed drag racing for your safety. This armor is strengthened, delicate but strong, and ergonomically designed. It can effectively safeguard our back, chest, spine, wrists, shoulders, elbows, and other vital body parts. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.